Assalamu alaikum. Hello, Somali students. I want to let you know that I'm going to start English online classes as I have already told you. I'm going to start this month, April 2024. This remote came after a lot of students, asking me the time that I'm going to start this English online course. So in my English course, I'll be teaching you, as I've already told you, a lot of vocabulary, a lot of grammatical rules, a lot of useful sentences. So I will also make practice with you during my training, English language. So because we know to learn the language depends on speaking, writing, listening, reading, trying to impersonate like native speakers. So I'll also let you know that I really intend this course for beginners, intermediates, advanced students. If you are interested in my English online classes, you can contact me. The numbers on the screen. Thanks a lot for watching, and I wait you.